To remove the fan, first remove the hinge cover, the stand, the speaker cover, and partially separate the rear cover and LCD panel assemblies. Detach the fan connector to the motherboard. Detach the webcam connector to the motherboard. Free the webcam cable from the cable guides on the motherboard shielding and the side of the fan. Detach the 3 Phillips No. 2 screws securing the fan to the motherboard. Remove the fan from the unit. To replace the fan, align the fan over its standoffs on the motherboard. Secure the fan to the motherboard with its 3 Phillips No. 2 screws. Align the webcam cable back into its cable guides on the side of the fan and the motherboard shielding. Reconnect the webcam connector to the motherboard. Replace the fan connector to the motherboard.